Hi everyone, and welcome to ITD122 Computer Applications for Professionals for Summer 2019. My name is Helen Mandelinich, and I am your instructor for the next 8 weeks. This class will be completed online. However, I did want to let you know that I do teach this class on Tuesday from 8 to noon on campus. If you ever have a question or want to sit in on a lecture, or you want to come in and just work on a particular assignment, you're welcome to come to my class. I am in, if you look up here, I am in on Tuesday, C109. So you're welcome to join if you ever need to. So to get started on this class, the first thing that I need you to do is, if you haven't completed your Blackboard orientation, you need to do that in order to get into this class and see all the material. Once you do that, I want you to notice what I'll do each week is I'll put this announcement, and that'll tell you what's going on in the week. So for the first week, we're going to come over here to this Start Here folder in Blackboard, and you're going to start with the Materials folder. There's a lot of material here for your class and how to set it up. The one that I want you to make absolute sure that you pull up and read in its entirety is the syllabus and calendar. So it's a Word document, and it has all of the assignments that you need. So let's get this up here. So it's got my information. You definitely need to read through this. It talks about the book. You will need to get either, there's two choices. You can have option 1, which is a physical textbook plus the SIMNet code, or you can get option 2, which is really just the SIMNet code. Both of these come with the ebook. So in option 1, what you're doing is you're buying the physical book in addition. So option 2 is a subset of option 1, with the difference being the textbook. So if you're a person that likes that physical book, then option 1. If you can learn things by looking on screen, then option 2, which is a slightly less expensive option. And you can always print things out. You do need Office 2016 or Office 365 to use this. If you are trying to do this class on a Mac, this class is not for a Mac. The description, if you were to read the description of the class, familiarizes students with major Windows-based applications and introduces the Windows operating system, the Windows networking environment. Okay, so you're going to be trying this on a Mac. It's not going to work so well. The big thing about the Mac is it does not have Microsoft Access. You cannot run Microsoft Access within the Mac operating system. So if you have a Mac, reach out to me very quickly so we can figure out what you're going to do. So here are their methods of evaluation. What are the things that you're going to do? And I'm going to talk about them as we move through here. You can read your policies. I might make a different movie on that. But I wanted to come here is this course outline and calendar. So here are the things. I would print this out and the due dates. So for June 6th, you need to get completed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 things. Now, it sounds like a lot. Some of these are very, very small. So the syllabus quiz and the honesty and learning quiz are both in Blackboard, and they're in the Start Here materials folder. Then we start moving to the SIMNet and Blackboard. So first 2 things to do are the syllabus quiz and the honesty and learning. And then you have to get your SIMNet system enabled, so installed, enabled, and synced. So I'm going to go back to Blackboard here, and in here, the start here, this is where the syllabus is, and there's other materials, but I want to go back to the start here folder and look in assignments. This is going to be the two things you need to get done first. The syllabus quiz, which is just a small 10-question quiz, totally off of that syllabus that I just had open. So go into that materials folder, get that syllabus open, come back and take this syllabus quiz. The honesty and learning quiz is also taken from the syllabus. There's an entire section on the policies that the college has about basically cheating. It's academic dishonesty, so you'll need to take this quiz. Then you need to get SimNet installed. So if we go, once you get the syllabus read, that material read, and these two things, we're going to really leave the Start Here folder, and then the rest of class will either be in Lessons or SimNet. So I'm going to click on SimNet, and yours is going to look different because you are not synced yet. But I do want to show you what SimNet's going to look like if it loads. I'm going to go back here while it's loading. I'm going to go to Lessons while that's loading, and we're going to come here to where it says SimNet. It's in the Lessons. This has all kinds of, here we go, SimNet Grader, and then I'm going to go like you, a student, and I got to get to my class because I have access to everybody. So let's see, Mandolinage, Summer, Web 3. Okay, so this is going to be your SimNet. And so once you get your SimNet system installed, you'll want to come through here and take this ITD pretest. Do the best that you can. You don't. I want you to do the best you can. Don't freak out if you don't get all of. Like if you don't get 100%, it's fine. It's fine. It's really, this doesn't really go towards your grade in any negative fashion. And then here you can see each group, and we can go back, has different things, right? The orange is what's called the Let Me Try. The blues are called the Guided and Independence. Okay, I'm going to go back here. In that SimNet folder in Blackboard, there's all kinds of information about how to install Blackboard. There's a video on it. There's a handout on it. There's a video on how to do the Let Me Tries. There's a video on completing your SimNet projects. I would try to get through this. If you have questions, please, guys, do not hesitate to contact me, email me, and on the syllabus it has the email, but it also has it on, oops, I went to the wrong thing. It also has it on this front page, right? So hmandolinage@starkstate.edu. So on that announcement page, it always has it. So do the start here, then go to your lessons, install your SimNet. So if we were to look at that document again, so, okay, you do your syllabus quiz, you do your honesty and learning quiz, you install SimNet, and you take that pretest, which don't freak out about it. Then you have 2 Let Me Tries that are due. And there's a movie on how to do the Let Me Tries. You need to do the one that's for Windows. It's in the Windows nugget, or little let me go back here. Shoot, where did I have it? Right, so let me go back one to assignments. So right here, Windows, this, you need to complete this. And then in the Word Chapter 1, you need to complete the orange top for both of those. And then there is the pause and practice. Pause and practices are through the textbook, and you submit those to Blackboard. So on this syllabus, you'll always see where you're going to work on that product. BB being Blackboard, and SimNet is the SimNet product. Okay, so you have, let's review again. You get into Blackboard. You read the material in the Start Here materials. You go to the Start Here assignments. You do these 2 quizzes. Then you migrate over to Lessons and you install your SimNet. Then you go to SimNet and you complete your Let Me Try for Windows and your Let Me Try for Word Chapter 1, which are 2. So here's the Windows and here's the Word. The test isn't open yet, so you can't do that. Okay. And then I'll have another movie and some information about doing the pause and practices. There is material in here, but I don't want to overwhelm you with all of the material. Always look for this in the materials. There should be helps. There should be videos that will help you get through the material. Okay, get started. Once again, Start Here materials, Start Here assignments. Get your SimNet installed. Once you get SimNet installed, I forgot to mention this, you always get to it through this SimNet here, and you always need to get through to SimNet through Blackboard. Okay. All right, I'm going to cut this movie off now. It's really just meant to be like, what do I need to do first, right? Because there's a lot of stuff in this class. So get in the class, start here, go through the materials, do the 2 things in the assignments, move over to Lessons, get your SimNet installed, take the pretest, try and do the 2 Let Me Tries, 1 for Windows and 1 for Word Chapter 1. If you have a Mac, please reach out to me as soon as you can. All right, guys, good luck. And as always, please don't hesitate to contact me. The fastest way is through my hmandelinich at starkstate.edu because I can answer you right from my phone. All right, guys, have a good semester, and don't hesitate to stop by and see me during class. All right, thank you.